Yeah, this Virginia, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the pole. I said, okay, Sarah Palin. Yep. I lay down and lay in. A nigga gon' be faded all the way to the end. Down.
Bitch, I do it. It's the life we chose. Working all bro. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah. Oh God. Look at me now. She's like an bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm treating me like I run with the eyes. I super sold that hoe. Showing the love, this on my towel. Still rocking Louboutin condoms. Cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back. Now I knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up. Don't be smoking my shit. I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick. Be smoking my dick, boy, little bitch. Whoa, okay. More drink, oh it up, more weed, fill it up. Whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the club, bitch. Stand ass up, no. Working all night, swear I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die. And I ain't talking shit just cause I'm yeah.
Smoking, choking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000. Spent it like it's nothing, money flowing. Never sober, smoking till I got concussions. No discussions, man. I got a condo and got a big crib. Pound below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting in, then I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in. You talk about it, I'm living it. You fucking little bitch. Whoa.